Hello guys, welcome back to my another video, and for today's video guys, I'll be having a review with this website named HPX Crypto. So guys, ito pong video na to is most requested ko po siya na video ngayon dahil marami nga pong nag-message sa akin sa Facebook na gawan ko daw siya ng review dahil gusto nga raw nilang mag-try to invest dito sa platform na to. Actually guys, hindi ko na sana siya gagawan ng review dahil marami na rin kasi akong investing platform na pinag-investan. Pero syempre dahil nga marami kayong nag-request na gawan ko to ng review, so ito guys, i-review ko siya ngayon. Pero syempre itatry ko rin pong mag-invest dito if this platform is really pay or not. So disclaimer muna guys, ito pong video na to is for entertainment purposes and lahat po ng sasabihin ko rito is based on my opinion only. And kung gusto nyong mag-invest dito guys, lagi nyong tatandaan yung kasabihan na invest what you can afford to lose. And syempre, wag nyo rin kakalimutan na do your own research muna before you dive in sa mga ganitong investing platform. Alright guys, all about muna tayo. So si HPX Crypto po is, ang main focus nila guys is mag-invest sa mga cryptocurrencies market through assets purchase and sale operations. So basically guys, yung parang ginagawa nila is nakikipag-trade din po sila sa mga cryptocurrencies market. So based on my research dito guys, si HPX Crypto po is a professional society with years of experience in the financial market. Alright guys, so dito meron po silang two investment plans, which is yung first package is investor where you will earn 140% in 33 days. So your daily earning here is 4.24% profit daily. And the second package is multiplier where you will earn 140% as well in 69 days. So here your daily profit is 2.2%. So dito guys sa HPX Crypto, yung minimum deposit lang po dito or yung minimum investment is only 0.003 BTC. And for the payments guys, they are only accepting Bitcoin. So dito guys, wala po silang minimum amount for withdrawal. And yung catch lang dito is, yung sa investor plan po, you can only withdraw every 11 days. And for the multiplier plan, the withdrawal is every 3 days. So dito guys, yung withdrawal po nila is automatic. So meaning guys, every 11 days or every 3 days, automatic na lang po napapasok yung mga earnings nyo sa mga external crypto wallet nyo. So dito guys, hindi rin po mawawala yung referral commission. Dito meron po silang 3 types of referral commission. So yung first is starter plan, which is ito po yung free account wherein you will earn from your direct referral of 5%. So basta mag-invest po yung ni-refer nyo guys, kahit wala kayong investment is kikita po kayo rito. And for the investor plan is, yung direct referral po is 10%. So yung second level referral will be 3% and the third level referral would be 2%. And here in multiplier, your direct referral would be 10% and the second level referral would be 3% and the third level referral would be 2%. So they have also here a 4 to 8 level referral where you will get 1% commission. Alright guys, so if you want to visit this site or if you want to sign up here, you can check the link down below in the description. Alright guys, to deposit here, just go to make deposit. So here guys, I will choose investor as my investment plan where I will earn 140% in 33 days. So here I'm gonna invest 5,000 pesos or that is 0.011 BTC. Then click submit. Then here, click nyo lang yung confirm. Alright guys, so dito copy lang natin tong BTC wallet address na to and dyan po tayo magsisend ng i-deposit natin dito sa HPX Crypto. Alright, so punta lang tayo dito sa CoinsPH wallet ko. And dito yung amount na i-deposit ko, which is ito. Alright guys, so in just one confirmation sa blockchain, pumasok na po yung dineposit ko dito sa HPX Crypto. So kung makikita nyo guys, itong 0.011308 BTC na dineposit ko rito, that is equivalent to 3.7 e-ball coin. And yun nga guys, before I forget is meron nga rin pala sila rito ang sariling coin, which is itong e-ball. And about nga dito sa native coin ng platform nila guys, which is itong e-ball coin, hindi pa po yan implemented dito, and this will be launched in 2020 and it will be listed on the main exchange of cryptocurrencies. So bali guys, kapag na-launch na yung e-ball coin nila sa February 2020, magkakaroon na rin po sila dito ng mining. Alright guys, dito sa withdrawal, since yung pinili kong investment package is investor, yung next withdrawal ko po is on June 10, which is maghihintay po ako ng 11 days. I think yun lang muna, and gagawa na lang ako ng follow-up video ko dito guys about sa withdrawal ng earnings ko. So that's it for today guys. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe and click nyo na rin yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga next upload ko.